Hey, what's up, folks? Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about simple commissions and Mailbot. Most importantly, I'm going to talk about how this can help you with your business. And there's just two things that I think stand out more than any others. So, if you are not getting enough traffic, if you're not generating enough leads, if you're not consistently making sales for whatever it is that you're currently promoting as far as a make money online or work from home business, be sure to watch this video. And if what I share makes sense, you get some value from it, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So, first things first. Um, Let me just share something really quickly with you, just as a point of verification. Now, when I first joined this thing, and this is a brand new system, honestly, I think this is like my 8th or ninth day. I think it's my ninth day. One of the things that I wanted to be certain of is I wanted to be sure that this system could benefit other people with whatever home business programs that they're involved in, because it does advertise that you are able to promote up to 3 different business opportunities. So if you don't know what Mailbot is, honestly, it's a very, very high-tech professional copywriter, and it's your very own personal email assistant that just so happens to be AI. So if you're going to put your name behind something, you want to make sure that it's credible and it works. So when I first joined, I sent my Mailbot this message, and 30 seconds later, this was the reply. Hi, Troy. Great question. Mailbot is designed to help streamline your affiliate marketing efforts. It will automatically send out emails to your subscribers for up to 3 of your added business opportunities. This means you could sit back and let Mailbot do the heavy lifting, ensuring your potential leads stay informed and engaged with minimal effort on your part. Looking at your current performance, you're doing a fantastic job. Keep nurturing those leads to see even better results over time. And I'm not going to go into sharing the rest, but think about that. I mean, look, I learned how to create marketing funnels over the years. I've learned how to do a pretty good, thorough job with my own email copywriting. But the beauty about this is that you do not have to, right? You don't have to. And for those wondering if you really can make money with this and get paid unlimited $100, this payment came in a little while ago. This came in today. It's for $100. It came in to my Stripe account. You can set up your payment options however it is that you want. But $100 successfully went to my Stripe. You have the date here. You have the time. Income disclaimer: there are no guarantees. This is a business like any other business. Your personal efforts will be the reasons why you get results or the reasons why you won't get results. So, with that being understood, I am going to say this from my own personal experience. This system is a whole lot of fun. It's in very, very high demand. People actually need something like this. And if you've been in the industry for anything more than like 2 weeks, you have heard the money is in the list, right? The money is in your email list. So if you tried paying somebody to do all the things that Mailbot and Simple Commissions could do for you, per hour, that is going to be an expensive proposition. But you don't have to do that here, So I'm just going to share a little bit more information about Mailbot, and then I'm going to end the video. As it says here, this AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. I just shared that with you. Automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. So Mailbot is the actual product. And another thing that's good about this, it saves you a significant amount of time. For you to sit down and craft the perfect email using your own experiences, getting people not only to open up your emails, to actually read them, to click on your home business links, it takes time, to learn that stuff. And a lot of people end up with, like, perhaps, if they're decent, anywhere between maybe a 5 to about 10% open rate. And the goal is to get more people involved to help continue building your relationship with them. And Mailbot is here to help you do that. So, how do you get access to it? Very simple. First, if you got some value from this, drop a comment, like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Second, if you're watching this video on YouTube, go to the description of this video and you'll see how you can get your very own free demo of Mailbot. Test it out. And if you decide to come on board, great. If you decide not to come on board, thanks so much for watching this video. To your success, I hope you have lots of it. Take care. Once again, I'm Troy. Bye-bye.